Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, and I'm going to show you how we can activate Hey Google. You have to go for Google folder, find Google app, move to the more, find settings, and go for the voice. Next, find the voice match, but at the first, as you can see, it's not available, right? So we have to go for Google Assistant and we have to activate this assistant right here. Next, we have to go back, find voice, move to the voice match. As you can see right now, it appears here. Click on the Hey Google. Next, agree. Now just wait. In my case it's done, but you will get circle like that and you have to say Hey Google or OK Google for the 2 times. So let's say it, Hey Google and OK Google, and the last one, Hey Google. Right now it's activated. So when you say Hey Google or OK Google, your assistant will be activated. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.